All right, hey everybody. I'm going to quickly show you how to mark your assignments as done. So whether your assignment is just to watch a video on BrainPop and do a quiz, or your assignment is to look at a Google slide and complete a form, or if your assignment is just a quiz, you always need to click mark as done no matter what. That is how your teacher will know that you have completed your work. So first, I'm going to log in using a student's username just to show you how to do it. So as usual, you will open up a internet browser, log into Google Classroom. I'm going to log in as Juana. And then our classes will pop up. I'll go ahead and click on Miss Ford's class, classwork, and then I have a pretend lesson up at the top. It is titled How to Mark as Done. So I will click on my lesson. I see that I have two things here. I have a Google slide and I have a Google form. I'll click on View Assignment. I'll watch the slide just like I'm doing now. So I would look at each of the slides, do all of the work. Then I can X that out when I'm done. If this were a quiz, I would click on the quiz, complete my quiz, and click submit. My teacher will get it because it said submit. But at the end, I have to click here, right over here in the right corner. I need to click mark as done. And then I'll click it a second time. And now in the corner it says turned in, and that is how my teacher will know that I have completed my work. You'll do the same thing for Lexia. So I'll go back. So if I go down to like Lexia or Zearn, and I click on Zearn, you'll follow the steps to get on Zearn, but you also need to click mark as done to let your teacher know that you are done. The same thing for if you're getting on Lexia. You'll click View Assignment. You'll get on Lexia, and don't forget to tell me how long you've been on Lexia. So if Juana was on Lexia from 2:27 until 3:27, she was on Lexia for 1 whole hour. She'll put the time there so I'll know how long she stayed on Lexia, and then she still needs to click mark as done. Awesome. So now Juana has turned in two different assignments, and Miss Ford will know that she did these assignments. So I'm going to post this video in on our stream where I post comments, and you can look at that to see how to turn in your work.